In this lecture, we will learn how to access and manipulate the HTML attribute values from within JavaScript using the JavaScript DOM API. To do that, copy the last program, create a new file, paste it, clean up. Title is DOM:HTML. Save it as HTML attributes.html. Create a new package instead of saving it under error handling, JavaScript, new folder, DOM. JavaScript, DOM and HTML attribute values. We are going to change the values of the attributes. Save it. Create a couple of fields or tags inside the body of the HTML. Paragraph ID is equal to, give it an ID para1. A value, you can put your name in here, close the paragraph. The second field, add an image. Image, give it an ID as well, img1. And src is equal to, you need some images here. So you can go back to the earlier program where we used some images, which is under events. Grab the images from the images folder. Come back to DOM, paste them. We just need 2 of them. I have copied all 3. Point the src to one of them. I'm going to use Maven, which is my latest course, maven.jpg. Save it and close the tag right there. Open this page in the web browser, HTML attribute values.html. Right now you see Bharath and then the image. We are going to change the alignment of this Bharath so that it will be in the center, and also switch this image dynamically from within our JavaScript. Go back to the script. Within the script block, create a function which we'll call on load of this page. Function, name it handle HTML. Within the script, document dot get element. We have been using this method for quite some time now. Element by ID. Pass in the ID, which is para1. To change the alignment, you use the align method available to every JavaScript object that represents a HTML. Align is equal to, within double quotes, I want it to be at the center of the browser or the screen. So center alignment. Similarly, I want to switch this image source dynamically. Document dot get element by ID. The ID of the image is img1 dot src is the property is equal to, instead of maven.jpg, I want to use xslt.jpg, xslt.jpg, semicolon, save it, and invoke this function on load of the body. Handle HTML is the JavaScript function. Save the page, go back to your browser, refresh it, and you will see Bharath or your name appearing at the center of the browser, and the image has switched. Although we are using maven.jpg in the HTML, when the page loads, we are dynamically switching it to xslt.jpg.